If you need to, place a block underneath your hips. Now, starting with some breathing, place your hands along your rib cage, breathe into your rib cage and out. Visualize expanding an umbrella. Bring your legs forward if you're still sitting on the block. Place your right hand on the ground and reach up and over to the right side. Repeat on the left. And do this a few times. Now rotate your body to the right, remembering to keep your rib cage over your hips, feeling for a twist through your spine. Now remove the block and come onto all fours to perform some cat-cow. Widen your feet beyond your hips. So push up towards the ceiling and then arc your back, taking your head to look just beyond your mat. Now widen your feet beyond your hips. Lean your hips back towards your heels, feeling for a stretch through your back and into your hips. Come out of the position and then slowly return back. Again, trying to lean into the stretch. You should feel a stretch through your deep hips and your low back. Now bring your big toes to touch and repeat the child's pose. This time you may feel like you're able to go a little bit deeper. Placing your right hand in front of your left, repeat the child's pose again. This time you may feel a little bit more stretch through that right side. Now switch hands. This time feeling a stretch through the left side. Now changing positions to come into modified frog pose. Place your right leg wide. Now gently lean back towards your heel. You can come down onto your elbows or stay high on your wrists. Again, leaning those hips back till you feel the stretch along the inner thigh. Now switch sides, taking your left leg out to the side, placing your feet flat, and then leaning back. Just feeling for a comfortable stretch along that inside of the left leg. Now coming into a modified psoas stretch. We're adding some thoracic rotation or mid-back rotation. Alternating hands, feeling for a stretch along the inner thigh, but also through your mid-back. Now change legs and have your left leg forward, left hand on the inside and rotating to your left and then to your right, all the while keeping your hips pointing forward. Now lying on your back, clasp your hand behind your knee and stretch your leg up, pointing your toes towards your nose to feel a stretch through the back of your thigh. Now switch legs, bending and straightening that knee, feeling for that stretch behind your thigh. Now coming into happy baby, clasping the outside of your feet, elbows on the inside of your knees, pulling those knees towards the floor, feeling for a stretch through your back and thighs. And then moving into hip sways, arms coming out to a T, drop your hips to the right, roll through your back and feeling for a stretch through the left. Now bring your legs back in and let's finish off with a bit of breathing again.